In Unit 6, Day 2 notes, we're going to be talking about medians and centroids, the altitude, and the orthocenters. So you can see that there is a semicolon here to show that these two go together and these two go together. So first of all, the median. In a median of a triangle, from one angle to the midpoint of the opposite side, that is called a median. So this part right here is your midpoint, and here's your median. And we can see that it's the middle because these two pieces of the side are congruent. So a segment joining a vertex to the midpoint of the opposite side. The three medians, so here you can see from every vertex there's a median drawn, of a triangle intersect at a point called the centroid. So you have to understand that median goes with centroid. Use the diagram to the left to answer the following questions. You need to list all the medians. So first we have A to E. Then we have B to F. And then lastly we have C to D. And then our centroid would be in the center here, which is point P. It says, what special properties exist for each median? All right, so for AP, right here, it is 2 times PE. So AP is twice the distance of PE. Okay, so to put this in perspective, let's say like PE was 4. All right, well these are 2 4s. So this piece is 8, this piece is 4. Okay, we can also say that AP is 2/3 of AE. Okay, so you can think of it as like 3 separate pieces. So this is 2/3 of AE. Then we have PE, so right here PE, is half of AP. Okay, so again, remember this was 2 4s we said, and this was 4. So PE is half of AP. And then lastly, PE is 1/3 of the entire length, AE. All right, so in this example here, letter A, if P is the centroid of triangle JKL, JK is 22. So this distance here is 22. Okay, it asks for KM, so I'm going to go ahead and figure that part out. I know that this is a median, this right here, LM. So that's a midpoint, which means that these two are congruent, which makes MK11 and JM11. So KM is 11. All right. Then it says that KN is 13. So I know that NL would be 13 since this is the midpoint, and that makes the whole length 26. Okay, NL, they want to know is 13. And then KL, we said was 26. Then it says OL is 18. Okay, again, that's your midpoint, so this is 18. So that means that OJ is 18, and then JL, 18 plus 18 is 36. For part B, A is the centroid of triangle QRP. Find X if TP, right here, is 2x plus 1, and TQ is 3x minus 5. So we know that these two distances are congruent because T is the midpoint, and we can set these two pieces, these two expressions, equal to each other. So 2x minus 1 equals 3x minus 5. So now I'm going to subtract the 2x to both sides. If I add 5 to both sides, we get 4. So in this case, x equals 4. And in this problem, it doesn't ask us for any other information besides what x is.